Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. And today we are going to start with the topic amines part 2. In part 1 we already studied introduction, classification and nomenclature of amines. Now in this video we are going to start preparation of amines. So the first preparation of amine is by the reduction of nitro compounds. Now these nitro compounds, they are reduced to amine by passing hydrogen gas in presence of finely divided nickel, platinum or palladium. Second, we can also reduce nitro compounds by the reduction of metals like tin in acidic medium like HCl. They can also be reduced by using iron scrap with HCl. Now this iron scrap with HCl we prefer because FeCl2 formed over here, it gets hydrolyzed to release HCl during the reaction. Thus only small amount of HCl is used to initiate this reaction, therefore iron scrap and HCl is preferred. So these nitro compounds, that is benzene with NO2, it is reduced by using hydrogen with nickel, platinum, palladium and we get amine which is aniline. Similarly, by using metal in acidic medium or iron scrap with HCl, again we get aniline. So this was first preparation of amines by reduction of nitro compounds. Second is by ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Now here we have alkyl halide, that is Rx. So on ammonolysis, that is on treatment with ammonia, it forms RNH3 plus X minus. Now what happens? The bond breaks and thus we get over here RNH2 which is primary amine. Now if again alkyl halide will be taken, we will get R2NH, that is secondary amine. If again alkyl halide we take, so we will get tertiary amine. Again alkyl halide, so we will get over here quaternary salt, ammonium salt. So alkyl halides or benzyl halides on reaction with ethanolic solution of ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution and halogen is replaced by NH2 group. Here the cleavage of CX bond takes place by ammonia molecule, therefore we call it as ammonolysis. If ammonia is taken in excess, then we get primary amine, but if alkyl halide is taken in excess, then mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines are formed. Now order of reactivity of halides with amine is iodides are more reactive, then bromides and then chlorides. So this was about ammonolysis of alkyl halides. Moving on to next, which is reduction of nitrites. So nitrites, they are reduced by using lithium aluminium hydride or catalytic hydrogenation. They produce primary amines. Now in this reaction basically higher number of alkenes are produced. Now let us suppose we have cyanide over here. So this cyanide on reduction with hydrogen in nickel platinum or sodium amalgam with C2H5OH, here we will get amines but of higher alkenes. Now let us suppose over here 3 carbons of nitrile is there. So here we will get 4 carbon of amine, that is we will get RCH2NH2. Next is by reduction of amites. So amide which is RCONH2, these on reduction with lithium aluminium hydride, they yield further followed by hydrolysis, they yield RCH2NH2 which is amine. Next is Gabriel thalamide reaction. Now this reaction is basically used for the preparation of primary amines. So over here what happens, this thalamide on treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide. So this is thalamide basically. This thalamide reaction with KOH, ethanolic potassium hydroxide. So this thalamide forms potassium salt of thalamide. So this is potassium salt of thalamide, which on heating with alkyl halide, that is Rx. So here K and X will be removed and thus it will form N alkyl thalamide. So here we will get CONR, CONR. Now this again on reacting with NaOH. So here basically this bond breaks and these bond break. We get over here benzene with COONA and here also COONA plus RNH2. So this is how we get over here primary amine. First of all, the reaction is performed with KOH. We get over here that is potassium salt of thalamide, which on heating with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis produces primary amine. Now in this reaction, aromatic primary amine cannot be prepared because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution with anion formed by thalamide. Moving on to next preparation, that is Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Hoffman developed a method for preparation of primary amines by treating an amide with bromine in aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. Now in this degradation reaction, basically one carbon less amine is prepared. So here we are taking Br2 with NaOH. So here we will get RNH2 plus Na2CO3 plus NaBr plus H2O. So here basically this migration of alkyl or aryl group takes place from carbonyl to the amide of the from carbonyl group of amide to the nitrogen atom. So the amine so formed here is having one carbon less than the carbon present in the parent atom. So this is how in today's video we studied how to prepare amines. So we studied 6 methods. First was reduction of nitro compounds, then ammonolysis of alkyl halides, then reduction of nitriles, reduction of amites, Gabriel thalamide synthesis and Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.